Sobrang swerte ni VP Sara. At ang bait-bait ng presidente niya. Kung tayong lahat ang tatanungin, fire her ass. You're fired. Ganun. Kung tayong tatanungin. Bakit? Nakita naman natin kahapon, hindi naman siya nagper-perform din sa DepEd. Sabi niya, President Ferdinand R. Marcos does not see any reason to replace Vice President Sara Duterte as Education Secretary amid her reported rift with First Lady Lisa Marcos. That's one angle na pwede nating tignan, na sincere talaga siya. So, yung trust and confidence ni PBBM is still there. But on the other hand, I also can't help but to think na this is also a political strategy. Political strategy. Sabi nga nila, di ba, keep your friends close and your enemies closer.